Hey guys, welcome back to Angie in Wonderland, and today I wanted to share with you a sneak peek inside of one of my new bags that I purchased recently from Amazon. I will leave all of the information to order this bag down in the description box below. But I had to order a clear see-through bag because we went to a Supercross race a couple of weeks ago at the Mercedes-Benz Stadium here in Atlanta. And in order to get into these big, huge stadiums, you have to have a clear bag. So first thing I did is I went on Amazon, looked up clear bags, clear tote bags, clear crossbody bags, and I came across this one. This one, I'm so glad that I got. It holds so much stuff. It was so durable, and it was perfect because all they had to do is basically just look through it, and I was clear to go in. And I think this would actually be a very good bag to have at Disney as well, because sometimes you know how long, or actually how picky some of those security guards are, security checks are when you go through some of the Disney lines. It kind of takes them forever, but if they had something that they could see through, it might make it a little bit easier, and might, cut the time down in the security line or check bag line a little bit easier. But anyway, this is a 360 design box. That's what it's called. And I think if you look that up on Amazon, that's probably what you're going to find. But anyway, it's got a nice Velcro front to it. The Velcro stays really, really nicely. And it has a nice big pouch right in the front, which I was able to put my phone inside of there really quick for quick access, just to be able to open up and grab it, which was perfect. And then back here is where I stored a lot of my bigger things, my camera, my other clear bags, my wallet. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to take a look through here and see what I put all in this bag. So we're going to go ahead and check out what I put in the front part of my bag. Basically, I had my phone inside of this part. So I put my phone inside of here. So like I said, it was easier access just to grab it and go. I actually kept an extra charger with me as well. So that's what I put in here. And this is something that I will carry with me even at the parks, because sometimes there's plug-ins in places and I could actually plug my phone if I needed to. But I also have a battery pack charger that I keep with me as well. This is just a receipt from when we were there. But like I said, I like the front. I like the fact that it gives you just a small pouch for easy access, grab and go stuff. All right, let's go ahead and get to the big part of the bag. Inside of here, I kept one of my clear bags that I ordered from Amy's Small World. This is one of those Disney bags that I've told you guys about a couple of times. I love the detail on the front, and again, it's clear, so you can see right through it, even through the bag. So basically what I kept with me is some Aleve, some lotion, some chapstick. I kept some tooth stuff with me, some cough meds for Brian, some toothpicks, a hair binder, and then of course my chapstick is in there as well. So this is what I kept with me, and actually this is what I keep in my carry everyday bag. This is what I keep with me as well. All right, another thing that I kept in here, obviously, is my wallet. I had to have my wallet with me. The other thing that I kept with me is this is a little bag that I keep with me, that I keep all of my camera equipment in, all of my extra batteries, and any SD cards that I have to have with me as well. So I keep all of these with me. So this stuff comes with me everywhere I go as well, in my everyday purse. Then I kept in here some pretzels. I kept some pretzels in here as a snack because sometimes I get a little, I need to have a snack with me, and this was a perfect bag to keep it in. Again, they didn't have much of a problem with it. They did question me about it, but I just kind of let them know that I had to have these with me. So my little snacks, and this is what I actually keep with me too when we're at the Disney parks. Alrighty, the other thing that I kept with me was the smaller version of the little clear see-through bag. And this, again, this was kind of redundant, but I did, this is something that I keep with me too all the time in my purse. I had some ponytail binders in here. I had some personal ointment cream. I had some, a nail file. I had my headache stick in here, a nail file, band-aids. These are just your everyday, stupid miscellaneous things that you keep with you, but I did bring this with me just in case. You just never know. A lens cleaning wipe, and like I said, a band-aid. And those are just again, some of the everyday things that I usually carry with me in my purse. just in case I need it or somebody that I am with needs some as well. But anyway, that's what I kept in there. And then I kept also in here some hauls, because at the time Brian was coughing really, really bad, so we needed to keep some hauls in there. Alrighty, so not only was I able to keep all of that stuff inside of this bag, but I was also able to carry my camera in there, which is my vlogging camera, on its tripod. So basically I was just able to stuff that down in there. Again, kind of like a grab and go type of accessible, you know, thing in my purse. Trying to find the word. But anyway, that is, I love this bag. And I think I'm going to be using this at Disney because, like I said, it's a lot easier to get through the check bag lines than it is for any of my, like, other, like, my Disney purse, basically, is the one that I use. But yeah, you guys have to take everything out, and they want to look through everything. So I figured with a clear bag, clear little carry thingies, they will be able to look through everything very, very carefully and not have to pull anything out. Because, like, as you can see everything inside of these clear bags. I love it. It's the best. And I'm so happy that I got this size. I can't remember what size this is, but I think it should be in the description below when you click on the link or whatever to Amazon to find this bag. And it was very inexpensive. I think it was like 14 bucks, $15, I think. I can't remember. But I think it was like even under $20. So it was definitely worth it, and I could be wrong about the price. I'm not sure. But anyway, it's perfect, and I think I absolutely love it. I will definitely be using this for the parks and when we go to Disney and any place else that we have to go that I have to use a clear bag. Hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time on Angie in Wonderland. Bye!
I know that you're curious, I know that you're strong.